First up, YouTube jobs. You don't need to be a YouTuber to make money from YouTube. In 2025, there's a growing industry around helping creators run their channels. These include jobs like video editing, thumbnail design, voiceovers, content scripting, and even managing community comments. Now, I can vouch for this. I actually have video editors I pay monthly. I pay them about $4,000 a month on average. I also have a thumbnail artist where I pay him about $1,000 a month. And then also I have a community manager that helps me respond to all the comments on my YouTube channel. I pay him about $800 a month as well. You can find these jobs on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even YouTubejobs.com. If you can offer consistent quality work, many of these jobs can turn into long-term contract or even recurring monthly income. Now that I think about it, I do need another thumbnail artist.
Everyone wants to make money on YouTube. Almost nobody realizes you can make money from YouTubers. Every big creator you watch is secretly a small business, hiring freelancers behind the scenes. They pay editors, thumbnail designers, voiceover artists, and scriptwriters every single month. You don't need followers, cameras, or fame, just skill, reliability, and Wi-Fi. Start with one creator, deliver great work, and that first $500 client can easily turn into $2,000 per month. And if you'd rather build something that pays you even when you're not working, wait till you see step 2, people selling AI prompts that earn them on autopilot.
My favorites, selling your AI prompts. As AI continues to grow, prompt engineers are becoming a legitimate income stream. Platforms like promptbase.com allows people to sell useful, high-quality prompts for ChatGPT, Midjourney, or other AI tools. You can also sell prompts on eBay, Amazon.com, and just about anywhere. With the demand for AI prompts increasing, sellers report making an average of about $500 to $5,000 a month. Once you create a prompt, you can sell it over and over again with no extra work. Now here's another idea that I'm currently invested in. So there are platforms like Lovable.ai and also Hosting or Horizons. You could develop prompts that can create full-blown apps or websites with a few sophisticated prompts. I'm in the works with it right now, so when I ever make it, I'll let you guys know.
You've seen people sell one AI prompt and make hundreds. But here's the crazy part. The same skill can land you $2,000 clients. When you write prompts that get powerful results, brands notice. And the hottest place they're trying to get noticed right now, Reddit. Companies pay thousands for people who understand how to post, comment, and blend naturally without getting banned. That's called Reddit marketing, and it's a gold mine most marketers don't touch because they don't understand the culture. In step 3, I'll show you how to turn a simple Reddit account into a $2,000 to $10,000 a month agency. No ads, no followers, just smart conversation.
Number 3, and this is where I actually paid someone $2,000 on Upwork, start a Reddit marketing agency. This one's a gold mine. I recently paid $2,000 for 25 comments and post mentions. Have you ever noticed how Reddit is getting more and more biased? Well, that's because marketers are now targeting Reddit. Reddit is a tricky platform for marketers. Most companies don't understand it, and they usually get banned for promoting themselves. However, there is a way to do it.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value education and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take. And we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask, why? Yeah, come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
Reddit marketing is where you can offer your services like subreddit engagements, post creation, comment strategy, and AMA coordination. Reddit marketing agencies charge about $2,000 to even $10,000 a month per campaign. Now, since Google has basically listed Reddit as a top search result, you can be certain you're going to see a lot more commercial posts from Reddit marketing agencies.
You humans are so dumb. You're literally talking to robots on Reddit.
I mean, she has a point. The WordPress subreddit has just become a spam center for page builders. I won't say which one, but it begins with a B and it sounds like bricks. Moving on.
Once you've made your first $2,000 helping brands on Reddit, the next move is to make money that doesn't depend on clients at all. Because client work is great until you stop working. That's where Amazon KDP comes in. You can publish simple journals, planners, or coloring books. No writing, no design degree. Upload once, and those pages keep paying you every month while you sleep. It's like turning your creativity into a vending machine. In step 4, I'll show you exactly how people are making $5,000 to $8,000 a month with 0 followers, just uploading books the smart way.
Number 4, Amazon KDP. This is a passive income hack for people who still think print is dead. With Amazon KDP, you can now publish low-content books like journals, planners, or even coloring books. There's no writing talent needed. One woman published a series of daily planners and reported earning $8,000 a month. I actually know a couple right now in Thailand, and they create child books and they sell them on Amazon.
I will tell you more about it in a moment. Basically, we do digital marketing, we use AI, we use automation, and in our 99% Done For You program, we help beginner 9 to 5ers and business owners like yourself earn high-ticket affiliate commissions like this. And the program is 99% done for you if you're thinking how you can start. You can start with the free training video. Just go to moshbari.com or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio to watch the full training video. It has 2 parts. In the first part, I will show you how we run our digital marketing business with AI. And in the second part, we'll show you our program and how we can help you make these kind of passive commissions. So it's absolutely free to watch training. Go ahead, watch the training video. And if you have any question, DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions.
So they create these like basic math books like 1 + 1, 2 × 2, and also coloring books, and they report making about $7,000 a month on Amazon. The children niche is actually huge, and this stuff is actually really simple to make, so give it a try. Number 5, and I think
if you've made your first KDP sale, congrats, you've proven you can build an asset. Now imagine flipping digital assets worth thousands. YouTube channels are like online real estate. Buy small, inactive ones in good niches like health or finance, fix their SEO, upload new videos, and boom, value skyrockets. People are literally buying, fixing, and reselling channels for $3,000 to $10,000 profits. It's the same idea as flipping houses, but without a hammer or paintbrush. In step 5, I'll show you how creators automate this with faceless AI videos so they can scale faster than ever.
this might be like the future, is buying and selling YouTube channels. Just like flipping houses, you can flip YouTube channels. Buyers want aged channels that already meet YouTube's monetization rules or are in valuable niches like health or finance. You can buy small channels from flippa.com. Some flippers even automate channel growth using faceless video production. Flipping a channel with 3K subscribers in a niche could net you around $6,000 in profit if properly optimized. I could probably sell this channel right now for about $2 to $3 million if I wanted to. The thing is, I'm making around $400K a year in affiliate commissions. So with that kind of revenue, yeah, $2 million sounds about right. Number 6.
After flipping a few YouTube channels, you'll notice something. You've accidentally learned skills people will pay to learn. Every time you grow or sell a channel, you gain insider knowledge about traffic, thumbnails, and engagement. Package that experience into an online course. Platforms like Teachable or Gumroad let you upload it once and earn forever. Even 100 students paying $50 each, $5,000 from knowledge you already have. In step 6, I'll show you how to turn your skills into a course that sells itself and why it's easier than you think.
Selling online courses. If you're good at literally anything, and I mean anything, playing chess, baking keto donuts, or just using Excel, turn it into an online course. Platforms like Teachable and Gumroad let you upload your course and sell it forever. I made about $250,000 selling courses on Udemy, and it's really not even that hard. Even if you get 100 students paying $50 each, that's $5,000 for knowledge that you already have. You simply create it once and earn from it forever. If you have knowledge for something, people are definitely willing to pay for it. I've seen courses for people learning how to pick up roadkill off of a highway, right? And it doesn't really matter because there's so many people out there. There's virtually a niche for any type of industry.
Once you've built and sold a course, the next level is wild. Selling websites and apps you create with zero coding. AI builders like Lovable.ai or Hostinger Horizons can turn a single prompt into a working web app in minutes. No developers, no design team, You can sell lifetime plans or monthly subscriptions and keep scaling while you sleep. Think of it like creating mini digital businesses with every app you make. In step 7, I'll show you how to turn those AI-built apps into recurring income machines that run even when you don't.
7. Selling websites or apps using AI tools. Have you ever heard of Lovable or Hostinger Horizons? These platforms allow you to create full websites or web applications just by describing what you want in your natural language. You don't need to write code, hire a developer, or understand backend infrastructure. You just write a detailed prompt. Let's say you want to create a terms of service generator for small businesses. You would enter something like this. Create an application where a user inputs their business name, website URL, and location, and then it generates a downloadable terms and conditions file. Hostinger Horizons will generate the app infrastructure, the input form, the download function, and even basic styling. Also, with a tool like Lovable.ai, you can build multi-page apps and add user authentication, Stripe integration, and email collection, all without writing a single line of code. Once you built your app, you could then start like a subscription plan, like $9 a month or even $49 for a lifetime plan. Then you can use YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram to start driving traffic to your website to start making more sales. And as a bonus, I do actually have demo apps that I've actually created myself, and I'll put those in the video description if you do want to check those out. Number 8, sell your...
If your AI-built apps can sell online, imagine pairing that skill with real products people wear, sip from, or hang on their walls. Printify and Shopify make it simple. Upload a design, set your price, and when someone buys, the product's printed and shipped automatically. Now, combine that with YouTube shopping. Your hoodies, mugs, or posters show up right under your videos while people watch. No ad spend, no inventory, just creativity and traffic from your own content. In step 8, I'll show you how to turn that storefront into a true lifestyle business and a teaching gig if you've got the gift of the gab.
Your own product with Printify or Shopify, but make sure to use YouTube shopping. Print on demand lets you create and sell physical products without ever handling inventory. You can design shirts, mugs, hoodies, posters on Printify or Teespring. You can also sell your own physical products using Shopify. And the great thing is you can use YouTube shopping to promote your product. Now, when a customer places an order, the product is printed and shipped automatically. You're in a profit margin. Creators like Daniel Simmons built full fashion brands with this approach. Have you ever noticed those products at the bottom of those YouTube channels? Yep, that's YouTube shopping. Then just make YouTube videos in order to promote it. Now, here's the thing. Starting an e-commerce website before was actually quite difficult. You had to first make the e-commerce website, then you had to run Facebook ads and Google ads, and you probably didn't know what you were doing. However, with the introduction of YouTube shopping, you can now sync your store to your channel. The products will be displayed below your videos as people watch your own YouTube videos. I mean, this makes it a hell of a lot easier to sell products on YouTube, so go for it.
Once your online store's running itself, why not take that freedom global and get paid just to speak English? Teaching English online is one of the easiest ways to earn from anywhere. Websites like Cambly and Italki connect you to students in Asia, South America, and Europe. No teaching degree required. If you've got an American accent, you can make $2,000 to $3,000 a month and work from cafes in Thailand if you like. It's income plus adventure, all powered by your Wi-Fi. In step 9, I'll show you how to turn that same laptop freedom into a full-blown YouTube brand, the most powerful step of all.
Number 9, teaching English online or abroad. In countries like Thailand or Indonesia, schools will pay $2,000 to $3,000 per month for English teachers. Now, if you don't want to travel, you can always teach online. Many teachers also teach online through platforms like Cambly or Italki, bringing in extra income. This method works especially well if you want to travel or live abroad for extended periods. And to my American friends out there, these schools actually pay top dollar for the American accents. A lot of people in South America or Asia, they have a very hard time understanding the British accents or the Eastern European accents, so they all prefer the American accent, probably because they watch a lot of Netflix.
If you can teach English online, you can teach anything on YouTube and reach the whole world for free. Start by turning your lessons or experiences into short videos. You don't need fancy gear, just clear audio, a phone camera, and real value. YouTube Shorts bring attention fast. Long form builds trust and income. From ads, affiliate links, or your own product, that one viral video can change your life. And that's step 10, the final level of freedom. You're not just earning online, you're building a brand that never sleeps.
And the one that you're watching this from, YouTube. You can literally start an empire with a good YouTube channel, and everyone today should at least try it once. In 2025, there's two powerful formats, short and long form content. Shorts are 15 to 60-second vertical videos that are easy to create and have massive reach potential. They're perfect for showcasing tools, quick tips, or product reviews. Long-form content, on the other hand, builds deeper trust and stronger income. These are about 5 to 10 minutes long, and these explain how to do something like how to build an AI tool without coding, or top tools I use to run my online business. You can monetize your channel through AdSense, affiliate links, brand sponsorships, or even by selling your own digital product. It is honestly the best method out of this entire list.
Still stuck Googling how to make money online? Forget the scams. Here's your real roadmap out of the 9 to 5 grind. We just walked through 10 legit paths, from editing YouTube videos to selling AI prompts, running Reddit agencies, publishing KDP books, flipping channels, creating courses, building apps with no code, selling merch, teaching online, and finally building your own YouTube brand. You don't need luck or followers. Just pick one letter from SMARTY, CASH and start there. Because every letter a proven income stream. Whether you like this video or not, really hit the like button. You know why? Because I gave you the exact training for free that our paid members get. This video is going to be in the members area for the paid members, and you got it for free. So yes, don't you think I deserve a like? Go ahead, like it, share with your friends and family, subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Make sure you switch on the notification bell button, and of course, ask your friends and family to subscribe and switch on the notification bell button. It's very important for us because we have a goal of getting 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. And the only way we can do that is when you hit the subscribe button. Go ahead, do it. And for more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.